a little bit of an update for you on the flasher units. So I've got two that I'm going to demonstrate here before I then build the more compact versions, as I stated, to fit inside the aircraft fuselage. That one which I tried earlier and didn't work, what I'd previously done is I was trying a couple of different capacitor sizes, and I can't remember what specifically happened with that one. Anyway, so I'm going to switch off the light in a moment and just demonstrate this one with a single LED on it. Just get that ready. I'll just show it to you without the light off and with the light off. Okay, so that's I was playing around with flash rates, and that one seems to be not too bad, possibly slightly too fast. And then I built one with 3 LEDs just to check the difference, if that one worked in the same way, and I'll show you that one. That one actually has a very nice flash rate. This is probably the best one yet, and that's what I'll use in the aircraft. Yeah, I like this one. So I will do a video using the components that I've used on this particular one. But I'll give a little bit of information about what components and so on. Now, I'm not an electronics boffin at all. I watched a YouTube video to get the basics of this, and it didn't really work well, and I'd bought myself some kits with various capacitors, transistors and LEDs, and I messed around with it until I got it working. So what it used, and you can get these electronic components very cheaply in packs of 100. So you can build, with a small investment, you can build quite a number of them. So it's got 2 transistors, whatever LEDs you feel like using, a resistor and a capacitor. And that flash rate to me looked like just the right flash rate from what I remember seeing on the Harvards. So at this stage, obviously, I was still planning them for radio-controlled aircraft use, in which case there's no bother about how the arrangement of the items look. But if I'm trying to fit this into a plastic model, I obviously want a way more compact and efficient layout of these components. Very neat layout, so I'll do something there. And obviously these LEDs are way too big for model aircraft use, but that doesn't matter. You can, as I was saying, you can either do the fiber optic, which I've got here ready to sort of do some trials with that, and use smaller LEDs. These are just some 5mm LEDs which I was playing around with. So that's just the quick update on the flash rates of the flash units. More to come soon. Cheers.